everyone, and welcome to SQM Picks. I'm David Lipton. SQM Picks highlights businesses that provide outstanding customer service or have interesting products. Businesses that have been featured range from small mom-and-pop companies to some of the larger international brands. Highlighted companies come from a number of different industries, including restaurants, retail stores, medical offices, lawyers, and various tourist attractions. We've also featured an auto body shop and a junkyard, which just goes to prove that any business can provide outstanding service. Our feature company today is Carlo's House of Spice. Located in Toronto's Kensington Market, this family-owned business is the go-to place to purchase spices from around the world. Whether it's vanilla from Madagascar, berbere from Ethiopia, or countless other spices, the store is likely to have whatever you need. In addition to spices, the business also sells different coffee beans, which they will gladly grind for you. Whether you're looking to cook a homemade meal or a chef wine for your kitchen, most spices are available in both small and large package sizes. When you have a chance, come down and visit the store. Enjoy the aromas and be inspired to cook. For more information, call 416-593-9724 or visit the store at 190 Augusta Avenue. If you know of a company that provides great products or amazing service, please send us an email to sqmpicks@sqm.ca. Thanks for watching, and look for another episode of SQM Picks shortly.